Hi, my name is Andrei Yurchenko and I'm going to show you a little bit of a real-world demonstration of the mapping address and port. So in our setup we have the IPv6 only network which connects to two CPEs which run OpenWRT. So you see that the Ethernet cables come in, and both of the CPEs are also acting as access points. And also I have two devices. Each of the devices connects to the respective CPE SSID. So this one connects to the second access point, and this laptop connects to the first access point. So you can see that the SSIDs are different. So now let's go and try testipv6.com and see what we will see here, and go and connect to testipv6.com here on this device. So, and you see that the address is, I'll try to overlap it, you see the address is the same. So the v4 address is shared between the devices. So you can see it's 153.16.17.83, and the second one is having the same address. The IPv6 address, on the other hand, starts with 2607, and then the difference is in the third group. So the one on the left has 1E00, and the one on the right has, we'll see, 1F00. So you see that the IPv6 addresses are in the different segments, and IPv4 address is shared between the two devices. So now let's take a look and see the ASR1K that is connecting these devices to IPv4 internet. So first let's take a look at the configuration, and in the configuration you can see that we actually have the IPv6 prefix that corresponds to the range that these devices have. So if you take a look here, you see that these are addresses from the same prefix, and the .83 is the IPv4 address that is being shared between two of these CPEs. So if we run statistics, then we can see essentially the packets being translated by the MAP-T. And also this device is connected via Lisp for both IPv4 and IPv6, so we're running on top of Lisp as well. Now if we take a look at the translation on this device, we will see that there is no translations whatsoever. So the mechanism is completely stateless, and we are sharing the IPv4 address without keeping any state on the BR. So, and before we finish the demo, let's take a look at one other thing. So let's go to the default gateway and let's take a look. So this is OpenWRT console, and we can take a look at the network interfaces. So you can see that in fact we have the IPv4 address on the LAN interface, and we have IPv6 and the ULA address on the LAN interface, but on the WAN interface we only have IPv6 address, so we don't have any IPv4 address on the interfaces. So effectively all of our communication on the outside goes over IPv6 until it reaches the border relay router. So that concludes our demo. Thank you very much for watching.